gonna stay true, blessed, giving time a joyride from a blast from the past. And my future self will keep it cool. I gotta have the last laugh.
You know in time you'll realize there's nothing left behind those blue eyes. But then you're gonna miss me, and then you try to kiss me, but by then I lose again. How long since you've been gone? How long since you've been gone?
Running as fast as we can on this road that we seem to be on. Nothing can take the joy that we feel away from us. We keep moving strong.
I can see it in your eyes. My love took you by surprise. And if you ever change your mind, I'll be there. If you ever settle down, if you need someone to rely on, I'll be there to be your clown. Just be there.
Heroes we are, keep moving on forever long. Saving the day, no matter how far we have come. We will finish it. Running as fast as we can on this road that we seem to be on. Nothing can take the joy that we feel away from us. We keep moving strong.
I think I'll never love again, 'cause if I try I lose again.
Let's go, come back with the fast tag to the evil. I know well.
There's no time to be messing up, I have no room to fail. I'm shutting down the pad around, I throw it all in jail. You can try and catch up with me if you keep following my trail.
So,
what can I do?
what you gonna say?
When I front through your town, I'm the king of stopping evil. Do it, but it's right hit me the ground. No matter the hard times I face, our way is always found.
Gotta kick it into high, you gotta hit the speed of sound.
I have the power in my soul, yeah, there's nothing new. But it's double trouble, there's no one to be now, there's two. Twisting all this road,
Cause I am the true blue. I'm here now and forever. I'll always save you.
How long since you've been gone? How long I'll sing this song.
Running as fast as we can on this road that we seem to be on. Nothing can take the joy that we feel away from us. We keep moving strong.
I think I'll never love again.
Oh, alright. It's over. Okay.